Did you know there's a 300-year-old secret hiding in a small Caribbean village that can make fresh fish last for weeks without any refrigeration? Meet Miss Eulalie, known to everyone as Fish Cake, the master cook of Caliaqua Village in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. She's keeping alive an ancient Sephardic Jewish technique called escavage that transforms ordinary catch into something extraordinary. Before dawn breaks, Fish Cake harvests bay leaves and pimento berries, then begins her intricate overnight marination with fiery Scotch bonnet peppers. Watch as she fries each piece in coconut oil, heated to the perfect temperature, then bathes it in her secret pickling solution made from locally grown Scotch bonnet vinegar and sweet onions. The magic happens in traditional clay vessels passed down through 5 generations. Every month, village cooks gather for the escavage competition, each showcasing their family's unique twist. But it's the ceremonial first taste that reveals everything, that perfect balance of acid and spice. This isn't just cooking, it's survival. For centuries, this technique saved fishing communities during brutal hurricane seasons when fresh fish vanished. Today, it's pure Caribbean gold.